Are you looking for a reliable and comprehensive property management solution? You'll probably find many options, including Lively. This tool has been designed to increase resident satisfaction and make your rental estate business more efficient. However, there's still a lot to learn about Lively to determine if it's really a good fit for property management companies and offers all the features you need to streamline related processes. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a property management expert with DoorLoop, here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but in this video, we'll be reviewing Lively to help you decide if it's the right choice. Lively was created as a property management tool to increase efficiency and ensure resident satisfaction through an all-in-one app. This property management software uses AI-driven technology to improve engagement, boosting property revenue while maintaining tenants' happiness. Additionally, Lively was designed to work as an extension of your team and handles tenant communications. These parties can rely on the property management solution to improve their real estate operation. Property staff, property owners, property developers, property managers, condo managers, and student housing managers. If you want to know if Lively is the ideal solution for your property management business, it's also crucial to consider its features, which include the following: their resident mobile app. Through this apartment app, residents can handle different tasks such as paying rent and requesting maintenance. In addition, users can get package alerts and explore community events and connect with neighbors. Property Hub. Property managers can use the Lively Property Management Hub or dashboard to handle rent payments and maintenance or repair requests. Users can use move-in checklists, emails, and so on. Smart Access. There are more and more technological innovations every day. Have you seen everything you can do with an Apple Watch? Well, Lively also offers many state-of-the-art options, including Smart Access. You can use your smartphone as access and provide a single tap but secure access to guests, staff, and residents. Smart Apartments. This property management solution also allows property owners and real estate experts to explore industry-leading smart solutions, including smart devices, community Wi-Fi, or Lively Guest Kiosk. Full-service resident events with Lively. You can also organize events for your residents, whether in person or virtual, set reminders, track RSVPs, and more. Packages and maintenance. If you want to prevent packages from piling up on your property, you can use Lively to keep residents informed about them. This property management solution sends real-time alerts and notes to residents, streamlining maintenance processes and requests for both tenants and staff. Amenity management. The Lively app allows residents to book amenities in just minutes. In addition, staff can set up specific occupancy and time. This tool is ideal if you need to create booking passes to simplify check-in. Smart integrations. Lively is fully integrated with leading multi-family services, eliminating issues related to handling multiple property management apps. In order to offer a great app with multiple features and a great customer experience, Lively has partnered with multifamily leaders in different areas, including smart access, leasing and marketing, instant commerce, renters insurance, data analytics, and more. Private community feed. Lively helps residents connect with each other and the property staff through the software community feed by posting photos and messages. In terms of pricing, Lively offers different flexible plans, customizable to real estate portfolios and building needs. However, it promises low-cost prices and no hidden fees. There are 3 plans available. Lively Core. This plan grants access to rent payments, tracking, reporting, email tools, Lively Community Feed, integrated and non-integrated solutions, package notifications, and more. Lively Plus. This plan offers the features available in Lively Core plan, but with an additional selection. There are 4 experiences available, but you can choose only one. Lively Pro. This plan has been designed for property management companies that need a comprehensive solution with multiple features, since it offers full access to an operating system, the Lively Experimental Management, Lively Key, Smart Access integrations, and more. Lively also offers multiple add-ons to help you create a custom plan that allows you to take your property management business to the next level. Do you think Lively isn't the best option for your real estate business? Well, don't worry. Many competitors are just as good or even better, including the following. DoorLoop. DoorLoop is undoubtedly one of the best property management solutions on the market. This software offers the best integration tools and the services you need to make your property management business thrive. You can click the link in the description to get a free demo or go to doorloop.com/YouTube. These are just a few main features. Many accounting tools to make your job easier. You can integrate DoorLoop with QuickBooks or use the top-class built-in accounting features to handle payments and other expenses. Options to pay rent and handle tenant requests. DoorLoop provides access to a tenant portal that residents can use to make payment requests, and it's easily accessible from a smartphone. enhanced communications. This solution allows property managers to communicate with tenants through the app, whether they're using a smartphone or a computer, a dedicated owner portal. If you want to let other users know how things are going or complete the other important tasks, DoorLoop's dedicated owner portal is the ideal feature for your business. DoorLoop is transparent about its pricing and offers this property management software for just $49 per month for your first 20 units. So click the link in the description to get a free demo, and you'll even get a special discount on your plan for clicking that link. Our next option is Simplify EM. Simplify EM is a good alternative. This software offers many features and accounting tools, attracting many users who want to make property management easier. Basic accounting features, scheduling tools, community reminders, vendor management, lease tracking, and document tracking. Simplify EM's pricing is a per unit pricing model. It starts with the P10 subscription, where you can manage up to 10 units, and that starts at $35 per month. It goes all the way up to P2000, where you can manage up to 2,000 units at a cost of $2,010 per month. Hemlane is another great contender and offers unique features such as an agent matching tool. Additionally, this solution has been designed to improve the property management process from start to finish. Here's a few features: tenant screening, features to pay rent online, maintenance management, and unique placement tools. As far as their pricing goes, its basic plan is $30 per month plus $2 per unit after the first unit. DoorLoop helps real estate owners and investors track and improve property management to make their business successful and offer a better experience to tenants. In addition, DoorLoop includes many features that can help you save time and money, such as multiple tenant communication and lease agreement tools, convenient reports on your business performance, an intuitive interface, and more. So go ahead and click the link in the description or go to doorloop.com/YouTube to get a free DoorLoop demo. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for more property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!